Have you heard about the One Big Beautiful Bill? Signed into law on July 4, 2025, this bill is one of the largest legislative packages in recent U.S. history. But what exactly does it do? And how might it affect everyday people? Let's break it down. 1. Taxes. This bill makes the 2017 tax cuts permanent. For many working and middle-class Americans, this means keeping lower income tax rates. The standard deduction, what you can subtract from your income before taxes, is increased. There are also new tax breaks. Tipped workers can deduct up to $25,000 in tips. People working overtime can deduct up to $12,500. Car loan interest on U.S.-made vehicles is now partially tax-deductible for many earners. Families will also see a small boost in the child tax credit, from $2,000 to $2,200. 2. Government spending and benefits. The bill also includes changes to public assistance programs. Medicaid, which helps people with low incomes access health care, will see some funding cuts and tighter work requirements. SNAP, or food stamp benefits, will shift more cost responsibilities to the states and apply stricter eligibility rules. These changes are intended to reduce long-term federal spending. But some experts warn they may reduce access to healthcare and food support for millions. 3. Immigration and border security. A significant portion of the bill funds border control. Over $100 billion is dedicated to building and maintaining the border wall, hiring agents, and expanding detention centers. A $100 minimum fee is now required to apply for asylum. Supporters say this strengthens national security. Critics argue it may limit humanitarian protections. To keep the government running, the debt ceiling is raised by $5 trillion. While the bill aims to reduce federal spending over time, early estimates suggest it may still increase the national debt by $4 to $5 trillion over the next 10 years. The bill invests heavily in defense and infrastructure. New funding for missile defense and Arctic security, $12.5 billion to upgrade air traffic control, more resources for the Coast Guard and new polar icebreakers. Farmers benefit from extended tax deductions, larger estate tax exemptions, and support for crop insurance and biofuels. These provisions aim to protect family-owned farms and promote food production. So, what does all of this mean? For many individuals and families, the bill may bring tax relief and new deductions, especially for working Americans. But it also includes major changes to healthcare and food aid programs and increases in the national debt. This bill is likely to have lasting effects on the economy, public services, and how the U.S. manages borders and national defense. The goal of this video is not to promote or criticize the bill, but to educate. Policies like this can be complex. Understanding them helps all of us make informed decisions as citizens. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay curious.